Are you tired of the daily grind? Let's break free from the 9-to-5 burnout. Imagine a life where your time is yours, filled with opportunity and freedom. Join thousands who've embraced the Earn at Home Coach framework for success. It all starts with a shift in mindset. Believe you can earn from home. Gain knowledge from industry experts who've mastered remote work. Unlock your full potential with our comprehensive skill-building programs. Learn how to create multiple streams of passive income from home. Enjoy the benefits of flexible work hours that suit your lifestyle. Become part of a supportive community that shares the same goals and dreams. Listen to real success stories from our community members who've thrived. Everything you need to start your journey to financial freedom is at your fingertips. Don't wait any longer. Take the first step towards a rewarding future today. Access exclusive resources and training that will set you up for success. Enjoy ongoing support from coaches and peers to guide you along the way. Set clear goals and achieve them with accountability and support. Every day brings new adventures. Embrace them and keep progressing. Transform your life and redefine success on your own terms. It's time to take control of your life and pursue your dreams relentlessly. Visit our site now to learn more about this life-changing opportunity.